rainforest? Rainforests can be found on every continent except Antarctica, but many are found in South America, Asia, and Pacific Islands. There are two major types of rainforests. One is a tropical, and second is a temperate. Each rainforest consists of 4 layers: emergent, canopy, understory, and forest. The average temperature in the rainforest is 77 degrees Fahrenheit, and the amount of rainfall is between 50 and 250 inches per year. Some animals you can find in the rainforest are gorillas, toucans, jaguars, and red-eyed tree frogs. Questions. Circle the correct answer. Question 1. Rainforests are found on every continent except A. Africa, B. Antarctica, C. Australia. Question 2. How many layers are in the rainforest? A. 2, B. 3, or C. 4? Question 3. The average temperature is A. 77, B. 87, or C. 97? Last question. It rains only 40 inches a year in the rainforest. A. True, or B. False? Now let's go over the answers. Question 1 was, rainforests are found on every continent except B. Antarctica. Question 2 was, how many layers are in the rainforest? The answer is C. 4. Question 3 was, the average temperature is A. 77 degrees. And question 4, it rains only 40 inches a year in the rainforest. The answer was B. False.